Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to delete all Facebook photos in one click. So open your Facebook app. First, you need to click these three lines in here. Then tap on Settings option under the Settings and Privacy. Next, you need to click this Profile Settings option in here. Scroll down and here you can find this Activity Log in here. So tap on it. Now tap on this Public Post option in top of all. Here you can click this owl icon. Then it selects you all uploaded posts. Now you can delete these old posts by click this trash button in the bottom. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. See you in the next video.